and welcome everyone. Today I'll show you banana pancake, and let's see the ingredients. First we need a banana, then sugar, some baking powder, wheat and milk. First peel the banana. And smash in a bowl. Now we will add wheat flour in it, half a bowl. Mix it well. Then we will add sugar, 2 spoons, and baking powder, 1/4 spoon. Mix it well, and now we will add milk in it. And we will make a smooth batter. Now you can see the consistency. Add the milk to get this consistency. And now heat a pan and grease it with oil or ghee. And now make a small pancake. And cook it for 2 minutes. You can see the bubbles on this. Now let's see whether it is ready from one side. Now turn it over and cook it for 2 minutes more. Now let's see. This from another side also it is ready. You can serve it along with honey. Our banana pancake is ready to eat.